Sharma was bragging. Gotta love that. Gotta love that thick shit. Anyway, I just wanna say you gotta roll with the punches in life. Like you could have a bag get thrown at your motherfucking face. Like somebody just walk up and smack the like got a book bag on, but they take the book bag and just whack, and just smack the shit out you and put the junk bag on and shit. And then like you know what I'm saying. But in that situation, you could have been supposed to just take the book bag. That was like a serious sign coming at you saying, this is what you need. It's smacking you in the motherfucking face. All you were supposed to do was just take that motherfucking book bag from that motherfucker. Don't even be mad about it. And then within that book bag, you got every seed you need to plant and directions to the farm. You get me? So it's like certain shit in life, it's like everything, just like I said about with the water particle shit. You think every water particle thinks that why the fuck we gotta just crash on the shore all day? Like, why we gotta just sit here? Like, why can't I be some of the water that's out there? You know what I'm saying? In the ocean where it's just, chilling. Like, why am I here just in this cycle of just boom, boom? Like, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, that water is sitting there creating the beach. You get me? It's like it's making the beach what it is, and then cleaning the ocean floor from the movement of the water and all that shit. All them processes is very necessary, even though the particles might not see it as that. Just like we might not see certain shit as that, but it's damn sure necessary. And then just think about everything, like I said, everything that's in the physical came from the non-physical, and that's feelings as well. So when it comes to feelings of pain, damn near every fucking time we feel pain, there will be a benefit from it. Whether it's working out, whether it's an injury, whether it's, you know what I'm saying, something. The whole signature of pain is fixing or improving, or at least will lead there. Because if you working out, then yeah, you feeling pain and you getting growth. If you break something, boom, it's broke, but you gonna fix that shit. Or at least you're gonna be in the mindset where you need to fix something. So pain is just gonna point you in that direction of growth every motherfucking time. So that's why I just love motherfucking pain at this point. You get me? Like, and I ain't even, and my life is great. I don't got shit to complain about. But me, I'm the type of person that chases perfection. And when shit ain't perfect, I take it personal. So I can personally make shit perfect. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of person I am. Motherfucking, yeah. But hold on real quick. I'll be right back.